welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today, we are doing an unboxing video. I have several items that I have purchased recently. So I'm just going to group all of them together. That way, it's not a whole bunch of like small videos, okay? So I'm just going to start. So let's see. And I'll pick up the garbage that I'm about to have a mess with. So give me just a second. This is, let me see. Okay. So I will keep this because this is just, thank you for purchasing Gotham Steel Diamond. So let me just try to get this off some kind of way. I hope everyone is enjoying their week. So as you can tell, this is a Gotham Steel Diamond non-stick pasta pot with an automatic drain, so you don't have to you know, pretty much like drain the pasta. You can the lid actually just locks on just like this, and then it has like the spout on both sides. I'll show you. It has the spout on both sides. And then you lock the lid, and then you just, you just pour it out, and you do it like that. So that's what this is. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's see. What is this? Is this? Let me see if I can get this open. One second, y'all. This is also a Gotham Steel as well. This will probably be about a 12-minute video, something like that. So what I did is I have a lot of copper color non-stick items because I have a induction cooktop that I had bought, and I needed some cookware in case I decide I want to cook on that in my living room or in my dining room. So I bought items that I could cook on that, as well as on my gas stove or any kind of stove top, really. One thing I will tell you is this thing was very well packaged, okay? I'm gonna pause this video till I get this all the way out, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I got it out of the packaging. You guys, when I tell you, they I don't know, like, so this is just a lid. I don't know if these pans are getting smaller or is it if it's me, but so as I was saying, this is also by Gotham Steel hammered design. So this is what it looks like. I'll take this off. And the hammered design is because of the outside of it. This is what the bottom looks like. As you can see. This is supposed to be, I believe, 9.75. Or 10 inches or whatever. But this is what it looks like. So it is nonstick. It's very pretty. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like. And then of course the lid. Also says Gotham. So I'm gonna set this to the side as well. And then so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this all out and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so I have everything out. So this was a 5-piece cookware set. This is the aluminum pan. Now this was made by somebody else. Moss & Stone 9.6-inch deep square pan. You could make lasagna, or you could use this for anything. You could also use this to fry in because it did come with a fry basket. This is the plastic clip that you could use. Yes. And then here's this pan here. Okay. So this is this pan. This is the lid. And then it also came with a steamer rack. So, and then this is just a plastic clip. So, I'm assuming you could use this possibly like, if you needed to lift it out or something like that. Because it has like a spring in it. So that's what that is. And then I bought an extra set of mitts that I thought were cute because I have burned myself too many times. From thinking I'm Superwoman, I guess. I thought these were really cute. Really, really cute. So, these were the little mitts that come with it. And these are silicone gloves. So, and then, let's see. One second. And then I have to open up one more box and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is the last item that I have to show you guys. So this came in a 4-pack. They are porcelain. It's like a snack, I guess like a snack tray. I did think they were a little bit bigger than they are. It said you could also use it like for like a salad. It'd probably be like a kind of small salad, I guess, because it's definitely kind of small. But yeah, so it came 4 in a pack. Let me show you. I'll put something like in between them. But yeah, so this is what they look like right here. And it came 4 in a pack. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If so, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.